Hey everybody, it's TheDollBoy, and today I have this Rapunzel lookbook for you, in which I show 4 different looks inspired by Rapunzel, and I got all of her hair off. For this video, I'm using my Disney Store Rapunzel doll that I put on a pink top Made To Move Barbie body. A purple top would have been a better match, but those are impossible to find around here. The first look is Rapunzel's original dress. I got this specific dress recently in my second-hand haul. If you want to see that video, I'll link it in the screen right now. In a big part of the movie, Rapunzel has this really pretty braid. To get a really easy alternative inspired by this intricate look, I simply do a 3-strand braid on my doll. To make it look more like the braid she has in the movie, I add some tiny fake flowers in the hair. For the second look, I use this floral romper that I got online. To match this outfit, I undo her hair and braid her front piece of hair. Then I take a strand of hair above her ear and tie the braid and the strand together using a clear elastic. To make it look a little bit fuller, I gently pull on the braid. The third look I'm gonna give Rapunzel is this white top and pink lacy Barbie skirt. I add these really cute pink Barbie shoes to match the outfit. I take down the little braids to get her hair down completely. Since I got this extremely pretty reroot hair for Rapunzel, I'm going to cut her hair for this look. If you want to do this as well, please ask your parents' permission before you cut your doll's hair. I cut Rapunzel's hair in a straight line just over the shoulders. And for this last look, I have this white tank top and blue jeans that I got from AliExpress. To add a pop of color, I tie this pink Barbie blouse around her waist. To give Rapunzel's hair a different look, I curl her short hair in alternate directions and let it sit overnight. When the curls have set, I take out the straws and comb out the hair. Since this made the curls look really big and messy, I lightly sprayed the hair with water to loosen up the curl. Be careful when you do this, because adding too much water will completely remove the curls. I really hope you liked these looks. If you did, make sure to vote for your favorite look in the comments down below, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more looks I make with my dolls, you can follow me on my Instagram page as well, @TheDollBoy. See you next time!